Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video we are going to check the free certification course on Power BI data modeling. And friend, it is for the beginner and it is a very good opportunity for all the students and the working professionals who want to learn the Power BI software. And friend, it is a free course and you can take this course from any country. So please watch the video complete. We are going to check all the details, means how you have to register and what are the some requirements. So let's start the video. So friend, this course is provided by the Skill Up by Simplilearn, and you can see the course name, that is a Power BI Data Modeling, and you can see the course rating is a 4.6. And this free Power BI Data Modeling course is for anyone who wants to pursue their career in Power BI. And this free Power BI Data Modeling training is easy to understand, and it is taught by the trainer with all the points covered in detail. And friend, this free Power BI Data Modeling certification takes you through data modeling basics in Power BI. So you will learn the various types of skills, you can see here, like Power BI components, then data modeling. And friend, you can see here who should learn Power BI data modeling basics. So like business intelligence and reporting professionals, data analysts, data professionals. And this software is very trending, so all the project managers as well as the working professionals who works on the data are using this Power BI software. So friend, please take the advantage of this free course and learn the Power BI software. So, and friend, you will also get the certificate which we are going to discuss later. So you can see some of the free frequently asked question is given, like you can see what are the prerequisites to attend the pre Power BI data modeling courses. So friend, there is a no prerequisite for attending this Power BI data modeling courses. Then you can see how do beginners learn the free Power BI data modeling course. So you can see beginners who want to understand Power BI data modeling can start by taking this course. And you can see this free Power BI data modeling course consists of 2.5 hours of video content to help you through understand the various types of concepts. And friend, also you will get the certificate, and here on the right hand side you can see you will get the completion certificates. Then friend, you can see you will get the access of this course for 90 days. And friend, once you complete all these course, then you will get this type of certificates you can see here. And you can see the course name is given, then your name also will be printed here, and you will get the date as well as the certification code. And friend, it is a authorized certification. So let's check how you have to enroll in this free certification courses. So friend, for enrolling, you can see start learning here button is given. You have to simply click on that. I will provide the link in the description box, so please check it. So once you click friend, then this type of window will appear. Then you have to select any one option for creating the account. And if you already have account on the Simplilearn, then you have to directly log in. For creating account, you have to click on this sign up with email, and after that you have to provide the necessary details like first name, last name, email address, then your country code and your phone number, and you have to create one password. And friend, after that you have to create an account, and once your account is created, then this course will add in your account from where you can access it and learn it. And friend, if you any doubt regarding this free certification courses, please comment in the video, and so that we can check it and resolve it. And friend, also if you are searching for any particular video on particular topic, friend, please comment so that we can check it and make it. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.